Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Stripe account from your AWeber account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Stripe from AWeber anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that some payment processors can put your funds on hold, so maybe you want to go ahead and remove it from your AWeber landing pages. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my AWeber account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete or remove your Stripe account from AWeber, you're going to click on integrations over here on the left menu. Once you click there, you're going to see all the different integrations available, but you want to look for the Stripe for landing pages. You can see mine right here. If you don't see it, don't worry. Just click in here in the search bar and type in Stripe. Once you found this, go ahead and click on Stripe for landing pages. Okay, once you're there, you're going to be in the settings for your Stripe for landing pages. And in order to disconnect or remove it from AWeber, click on this red button called disconnect integration. Next, you'll see this pop up. Are you sure you want to disable this Stripe integration? Click on OK. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that my Stripe integration has been removed. So if I want to receive payments through my AWeber landing pages, I will need to read that at a future date. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove your Stripe account from your AWeber account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.